Hello, welcome back to Italian Food Boss. Today we are gonna cook pesto, but not the normal pesto, basil, pine nuts, that's too simple. The special Italian Food Boss pesto. What do we need for the Italian Food Boss pesto? We need these ingredients. Some basil, of course, then some capers, a bit of pecorino, 1 lemon, we just did the zest, some tomatoes, some almonds, guys, the mandorle, and then we are gonna use some spaghetti to cook. We want to use the pestle and mortar for this, and you put all these ingredients in here, and then you keep squashing for about 4 or 5 days until your arm falls off. We normally use this, but not today. Today we feel lazy. Today we don't feel like using the pestle and mortar and keep squashing for 5 days. So we are gonna use the electric equivalent, this thing. Now we put all the ingredients in here, so we get rid of the pestle and mortar of the nonnas. Today we are trying to be a bit more modern. Almonds, pomodorini, tomatoes. We also want my garden basil, capri. This is gonna give the extra smell and taste. Formaggio, so we want pecorino, ricotta salata, any of these would be good. Now a bit of lemon zest, the smell is phenomenal. And then we're gonna add also some lemon zest on the plate. So a bit of oil. Fantastic. A bit of pepper. And the ingredients of my pesto are ready. Let's go. Look at the cream, that's what we want. We don't need to add water. The taste is fantastic. È una crema. It's really a cream. The almonds are still rough. Water is boiling. We put the spaghetti in while we do the cream. This will take about 8-9 minutes. Perfect. Now we put this cream in the bowl. And in this bowl we are gonna mix the spaghetti. So it's a no cook sauce. Excellent, quick, but very tasty. Look at the cream. The capers and the basil and the pomodoro and the tomato make a wonderful combination. And you have to use a long shape of pasta for this, so linguine or spaghetti. Today we are gonna use spaghetti garofalo, which I love. Aurora also loves spaghetti. Very good. The pasta is ready, 10 minutes. Now, very simply, we take our spaghetti and we mix them in the bowl. It's a very easy pasta, guys, I told you. All the pasta is in here. And now, very simply, we mix. We don't need to cook the pasta with the sauce. È un pesto. And you remember, the pestos are fresh condiments. Look at this. How nice this looks, guys. If you want to make it more creamy, you add a bit of water from the pasta cooking, but I think I'm pretty happy with the consistency. A bit of lemon zest, just to make it a bit fresher. And this is for me. Guys, that's how it's done in Italia. Fantastic. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell. Share with your friends if you like this quick and fantastic recipe. Guys, I'll see you next time. I'm gonna eat my Italian food boss special pesto. Bye. Buon appetito, guys.